Why doesn't God remove my pain? Have you ever prayed and asked God to take away your pain? The anxiety that keeps you awake at night, the grief that never seems to leave, the trauma that continues to affect your life years later. And yet, despite your prayers, the pain remains. At some point, many people begin to wonder, is God listening? Does God care? Why hasn't He healed me? St. Paul asked a similar question. He pleaded with God to remove what he called a thorn in the flesh. But instead of removing it immediately, God answered, "My grace is sufficient for you, for my strength is made perfect in weakness." Notice something important. God did not simply give Paul an explanation, He gave him His presence. Sometimes God heals by removing the burden. Sometimes He heals by giving us the strength to carry it. And sometimes He heals by transforming our wounds into sources of wisdom, compassion, humility, and spiritual growth. As an Orthodox priest and chaplain for law enforcement, I have walked alongside people facing trauma, loss, anxiety, grief, and deep personal struggles. And I have seen something remarkable. Many people discover that the very wound they wanted God to remove because the place where they encountered His grace most deeply. The goal of the Christian life is not a life without suffering. The goal is union with Christ. And when Christ enters our wounds, those wounds no longer have the power to destroy us. They can become places of healing, growth, and transformation. So today, bring your pain to Him, not because He always removes every burden immediately, but because He never leaves you alone beneath it. Your pain may not disappear overnight, but God's presence can transform the way you carry it. God bless you.